Okay, for today's topic is the nature of discourse and discourse. Atau CPMK-nya singkat mata kuliah diharapkan mengembangkan kemampuan siswa atau meeting one. Hello students, so in this video we're going to discuss the course subject, discourse analysis. So let me introduce myself. My name is Agung Farid Agustian. You can call me Mr. Farid. Okay, for today's topic is the nature of discourse and discourse analysis. But before I'm going to explain more about the nature of discourse, so let me introduce and explain the course objectives. Atau CPMK-nya adalah mampu menjelaskan, memahami wacana dari teks, mampu memahami menggunakan analisis wacana dengan topik-topik seperti discourse and society, discourse and pragmatic, genre, conversation, grammar, MDA, DA, CDA dalam teks. Yang terakhir adalah mampu memahami dan menggunakan analisis bahasa terhadap wacana dari teks. Oke, deskripsi singkat mata kuliah diharapkan mengembangkan kemampuan siswa dalam aspek wacana dan analisis wacana secara efisien, mengembangkan kompetensi analisis teks yang termasuk bentuk linguistik, tapi juga pengetahuan tentang kapan, bagaimana, dan pada siapa teks itu digunakan. Sesuai dengan tujuan dan analisisnya, siswa diperkenalkan dan diminta untuk berlatih dalam menjelaskan analisis wacana. Oke, untuk materi pembelajaran pertemuan pertama atau meeting one, the topic is the nature of discourse. There are 3 points that we're going to discuss. First is discourse analysis. Second, what is discourse? And the third, example of kriteria penilaian dan indikator ketepatan memahami dan menjelaskan materi. Satu, sifat wacana, analisis wacana, dan apa itu wacana. Penilaian untuk mata kuliah ini kehadiran aktif di kelas, kedisiplinan, perilaku, dan kuis masing-masing 10%. Tugas kelas individu dan mandiri 15%. Tes UAS masing-masing 20 dan 30%. So, let's start for our first explanation. So, what is discourse? Okay, discourse refers to a specific way of speaking, writing, or communicating that is guided by certain rules and shared meaning within a particular context or community. Okay, it means that it refers or discuss refers to more than just words or sentence, but it focuses on the meaning, the entire which the language try to deliver. It shaped how particular community or social identity use the language. Okay, the second explanation, discourse focus not only the words but also broader social, cultural, and historical context in which communication occurs. Okay, it means that the understanding of discourse requiring one, the socio-cultural backgrounds, and then how the history of the context of the society plays important roles in explaining a discourse. Okay, discourse involves the use of language to convey information, express ideas, constructing identities, and negotiate power dynamics. Okay, it means that it serves multiple functions. The discourse focus on multiple functions such as ideas, identities, and power relations. Okay, the multiple function beyond simple communication. It reflects how the society or use the language based on their context. Okay, now move on to the next explanation. So what is discourse? So discourse in contemporary academic and linguistic context. The concept of discourse has evolved to encompass a broader understanding of language use and communications. Okay, so it means that discourse not only just a concept, but it's beyond the communications. It creates meaning and understanding, and also gives the meaning on the contextuals itself. Okay, now move on to the next practice. Okay, please take a look at the example of discourse. Okay. The example of discourse here is advertisement discourse. Advertisement discourse refers to a specific way language, image, sounds, and other modes of communications are used in advertisement to persuade audience to purchase products, adopt behaviors, or form certain attitudes. Okay, now please take a look at the picture. This is the example of the meaning of the pictures, which the meaning is the action process. So what is the action process itself? Okay, the action process, it's giving the ideas on how the visual or the pictures act to inform and to deliver the message. This is the example of the picture from the Cornetto Walls Rainbow Pop advertisement. So the key components in advertisement discourse, the first is linguistic features such as slogans and taglines, and then the second is multimodal integrations, the integration and combination of text, image, and sounds that serves the functions of the discourse. Okay, the conclusions. Advertisement discourse focus on strategic combination of linguistic, visual, auditory, and contextual element. Okay, by analyzing these components, we can understand how advertisement effectively persuade consumers and influence their attitudes and behaviors. Especially the multimodal approach provides comprehensive framework to analyze the advertisement discourse. Later we are going to discuss on multimodal approach of discourse. Okay, so before I'm going to end the course, please take a look at the practice and assignments. Okay, the first task is definition and theoretical foundation. There are 3 questions. The second is function of discourse, also 3 questions, and the last is case study analysis. There are 2 questions based on application or applied on how discourse is used. Okay, I think that's all for our today's meeting. Thank you so much for your attention. See you again in our next meeting. Goodbye.